Tool wear is the erosion of material from the tool. It changes the shape of the tool cutting edge, increases cutting forces, results in poorer accuracy and surface finish on the part. These are some types of tool wear. Flank wear, the picture in the middle, is the most common. As you can see, it makes the cutting edge more blunt, resulting in higher cutting forces and changes in part dimensions. Built-up edge is the deposition of workpiece material on the cutting edge of the tool. It is not actually tool wear, but its effects are the same as tool wear. The deposited workpiece material becomes the cutting edge. So the cutting forces become high and dimensional accuracy and surface finish are poor. This video shows built-up edge while turning an aluminum part. In the first cut, the surface finish is good because the cutting edge is new. In the second cut, built-up edge has formed, and you can see the poor surface finish as a result.